the stillness of the garden, you prayed for all my sin. The weight of wrath upon you, yet love poured out within. They pierced your hands and crowned you, the Lamb who bore it all. Upon that hill called Calvary, you answered mercy's call. I am blessed at the cross, where your blood was shed for me. Chains are broken, I am free, by your grace and victory. You gave it all to save my soul. Love unmeasured paid the cost. My life is yours forevermore. Blessed at the cross. The sky grew dark with sorrow, the earth began to shake. But through the pain you whispered, my child is dead, I'll take. No greater